academic contest. So let us say, for example, on Science and Technology Fair, they have never been to Science and Technology Fair. Yan na siya, koy, kadako sa eskwelahan, yan di man mo mga appeal. So Science and Technology Fair, mo ni-appeal me this school year niya. Since our teachers, they don't know what Science Technology Fair is, wala sila kabaw kung unsay naong ana, if kanang, let's say for example, mag-research that, they don't know unsay mahitabo dito sa kuan kay they have never been into the contest and into the venues niya kanang ako as a school leader, I have been into those. So niana ko nga, sige, this is the time I come in. May ko, sige, kanang ingani ni siya, ingani ang contest, this is the rubric, this is how you can win this. Ingana. So, that's how I think I come in terms of instruction.